Hello guys, welcome back to my channel CAD in CATIA. So today in this video we are going to make this drawing in a CATIA V5. So first let's discuss some procedure. First we are going to make this middle part, and after that this small part, and then this side part. So let's start our drawing. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. So first we are going to take XY plane, then sketch and circle, make here a circle, a diameter of 60, then exit sketch, then paired, paired mirror extend, and the length of the paired is 15 because we are doing a mirror extend. Preview, OK, then select this plane, ZX plane, then sketch, take this edge projection and make it into dash, then select the center point circle, square, then make a square and remove this dash, then select measurement, and we need this line 30, and this is also 30. So exit sketch, then paired the mirror extend, and type here 30, then preview. Okay, the small part is ready, and after that take a YZ plane, then sketch and take a projection of this line. After that take a line, polyline, make a line from here, then make a perpendicular horizontal vertical line, then join this, then press escape. After that the angle between this line and this edge is 165, and the length, the distance from here to here is 100, and the length of this line is 30. Oh no, the distance from this point to this point is 110. Okay, 110. Then exit sketch, then paired mirror extend, and the length at the length type 15, preview. Okay, and after that select XY plane, then sketch, project this line, then select a line, and make a horizontal vertical line, and the distance of this line with the vertical axis is 10 5, type here 5, and then OK, and mirror this line, mirror the reference vertical, and join this line for the closed entity, then trim the extra part, trim this, then exit sketch, and pocket, mirror extend, and type here 50, preview. OK, this slot is ready, and after that select this pad and mirror this, Okay, and after that again select the pocket one and mirror it. Okay, so both side is ready, and after that take YZ plane for the making circle. YZ plane, select this line and project this, and after that take it into the dash, then select a circle and put it on the middle point of this line and make a circle and remove this dash, and after that again take a circle and again put it into the onto the center point, and give the dimension of the second circle is 20. The diameter of this second circle is 20. I think again make a circle, put it on the center point of this line and make a line, and after that give this diameter 20. Okay, and the diameter of this circle is 30. After that exit sketch, paired, mirror extend, and the paired distance is 30 plus 5 plus 5 40. Type here 20, 20, here we find 20. So after that again select this YZ plane for this extra part, then project this line and make it into dash, and after that select a circle, put it on a center point, give this 20 diameter. Okay, and remove this dash. After that exit sketch, pocket, mirror extend 50, review. This side hole is ready, and after that select this hole and mirror it to this side. Okay, and again select this plane. So no, not select this plane. First select this pocket and mirror it. This other side, this side hole is also ready. After that select XY plane, then sketch, then select a circle. Diameter of this circle is 450. Okay, then exit sketch, pocket, mirror extend, preview. Okay. So this is how we make this drawing in the CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and if you have any complication in this video, then you can comment me on this video. So thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel and share to your friends for this CATIA tutorials. So thank you for watching, and धन्यवाद.